Now, this was one of the first recipes that my mom taught me because I always used to ask her, make this every day. So she said, why don't I teach you? So I'm calling it my mom's fish curry. So I've got some nice tuna fish. To this I'm adding some salt, some turmeric, some chili powder, and a little bit of the tamarind paste. It takes away the fishy smell off. I'm just going to rub all this. You can also add lemon juice. So let this sit and marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's begin with the curry. Some good amount of oil to this. I'm going to first start with some fenugreek seeds. It's time to add some mustard seeds, a little bit of the cumin seeds, some peppercorns. I'm going to add some chopped onions, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to it. And now let's just saute it for a while. To this, lovely curry leaves, and let it all saute really well. I always like adding a bit of salt towards the start of the dish, some slit green chilies, and the onion just has to be translucent. It doesn't have to really get pink or brown. It's time to add some red chili powder, some turmeric powder, and some chopped ginger. So once this is cooking, a little bit of the chopped tomatoes to this, and some coconut milk, a little bit of water. The fish flavor should come into it, so I'm not adding too much of the masalas, no garam masala, no coriander powder and stuff. And the fish that I marinated some time back, that goes in. Again, a little bit of the slow cooking. So if you're going to cook it at a very high heat, it's going to make it tough. Whereas I want it juicy, nice and succulent. Reduce the temperature to a poaching simmering point and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. So this is my mom's secret ingredient while making a fish curry. Well, if it was not the mango season, you can also use kokum. So the water from this kokum, as it's locally called, goes into my curry. And now I'm just going to flip over my fish very lightly since it's very delicate. So they are almost cooked. Some nice freshly chopped coriander to this. Stir it all in. Another 2 to 3 minutes on the fish. Once again at a simmering temperature. And my fish curry will be ready. And I'm sure it's going to make my mom proud. And I can know from the smell that my fish curry is ready. So let's take the fish out first. So the dance of fish. Oh, lovely. The chunks of fish, spicy and pungent. As I said, you can reduce it. But a simple, humble dish, what pleasure.